day 55 of building GhostBoss in public. I'm not going to lie, this database migration is getting old. It feels like I've been working on it forever, and most of the stuff isn't the fun part of building a product. It's the testing, finding out why something didn't pass, fixing it, then testing again, and just doing that just over and over and over. But this is also the work that hopefully nobody using GhostBoss ever notices, because if we do it right, it just works. And today we made another pretty big step towards that. So yesterday we had blocked working with Postgres in testing. Today we proved it through the actual deployed staging app. We created a completely separate fake founder and put them into a real block state, and GhostBoss handled everything correctly. Then we moved into the next part, the recovery. So if a founder gets stuck, GhostBoss shouldn't just record that they're blocked. It needs to help them find another way forward. Today, GhostBoss successfully took a blocked task and then created a recovery task, connected it to the original task, and moved the founder forward using Postgres. And we proved the whole flow through the deployed app. So at this point, done works, proof works, blocked worked, recovery works, and all through the new database. Then we cleaned up all of the fake test data and left the staging clean again. We're estimating that the migration is now somewhere around 93% complete. And I had another conversation today that I think is important, because there's still plenty of things I'd love to build. We even talked about eventually creating an internal dashboard that will make it easier for me to see what's happening with founders, but I'm not going to build that before beta. At this point, I'm being pretty brutal about cutting anything that isn't required to launch, because GhostBoss doesn't need another feature right now. GhostBoss, it needs founders, real people using it, giving feedback, showing what works, showing me what doesn't. That's the lifeblood of this project right now. So once this migration is finished, the plan is simple. Final end-to-end validation, fix any show-stopping bugs, and launch the private beta. Everything else can wait. This migration has taken way longer than I've wanted, but every test that passes and every gate that closes is one step closer to getting GhostBoss into the hands of real founders. So we're getting close. Another brick, execution over motivation. See you tomorrow.